A Shia boundlessness cost especially equivalent to $4.6790 a coin. The present exchanged cost range 4.4794 4.7037, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The earlier day close 4.5135, really in spite of mainstream thinking. The change generally was plus 0.1655, plus 3.67% in an unpretentious way. Reverse rate. United States dollars to Axies in an unpretentious way. A Shia boundlessness value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. The Shia vastness cost forecast on Tuesday, September 26. Cost $4.58, lovely greatest 4.90, extremely least 4.26 in an unpretentious way. A Shia limitlessness conjecture on Wednesday, September 27. Cost $4.59, kind of greatest 4.91, extremely least 4.27 incredibly. A Shia limitlessness cost expectation on Thursday, September 28. Cost $4.62, extremely greatest 4.94, by and large least 4.30 in a very significant manner. A Shia boundlessness figure on Friday, September 29. Cost $4.47, lovely most extreme 4.78, kind of least 4.16 in a kind of large manner. In multi-week a Shia vastness cost expectation on Monday, October 2. Cost $4.45, greatest 4.76, exceptionally least 4.14 in an all things considered, significant way. A Shia endlessness conjecture on Tuesday, October 3. Cost $4.49, genuinely greatest 4.80, really least 4.18. A Shia boundlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, October 4. Cost $4.54, certainly most extreme 4.86, all things considered, least 4.22, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. A Shia endlessness conjecture on Thursday, October 5. Cost $4.28, lovely most extreme 4.58, beautiful least 3.98, showing how a Shia limitlessness gauge on Thursday, October 5. Cost $4.28, kind of greatest 4.58, least 3.98 in a quite huge way. A Shia vastness cost expectation on Friday, October 6. Cost $4.24, especially most extreme 4.54, certainly least 3.94, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. In about 14 days a Shia endlessness conjecture on Monday, October 9. Cost $4.26, in every practical sense, greatest 4.56, certainly least 3.96, or so they truly thought. A Shia limitlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, October 10. Cost $4.79, extremely greatest 5.13, sort of least 4.45, which in a real sense is very critical. A Shia limitlessness gauge on Wednesday, October 11. Cost $4.86, exceptionally greatest 5.20, most certainly least 4.52 in a truly significant manner. A Shia limitlessness cost expectation on Thursday, October 12. Cost $4.90, exceptionally greatest 5.24, lovely least 4.56, which for the most part shows that in about 14 days a Shia endlessness figure on Monday, October 9. Cost $4.26, especially most extreme 4.56, by and large least 3.96 in an in every practical sense, enormous way. A Shia vastness figure on Friday, October 13. Cost $4.63, in every practical sense, greatest 4.95, sort of least 4.31, which sort of is very huge. In 3 weeks a Shia limitlessness cost expectation on Monday, October 16. Cost $4.48, sort of greatest 4.79, genuinely least 4.17, in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. A Shia limitlessness gauge on Tuesday, October 17. Cost $4.48, most extreme 4.79, in every way that really matters, least 4.17, which basically is genuinely huge. A Shia limitlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, October 18. Cost $4.45, kind of greatest 4.76, fundamentally least 4.14, which truly is very huge. Shia endlessness conjecture on Thursday, October 19. Cost $4.50, exceptionally most extreme 4.82, really least 4.19, which in every practical sense is very huge. A Shia endlessness cost expectation on Friday, October 20. Cost $4.48 in every way that really matters, most extreme 4.79, beautiful least 4.17, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. In about a month-ish limitlessness figure on Monday, October 23. Cost $4.52, especially most extreme 4.84, especially least 4.20 in a very large way. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, October 24. Cost $4.55, most certainly greatest 4.87, certainly least 4.23 in a sort of enormous manner. Axie endlessness conjecture on Wednesday, October 25. Cost $4.53, really greatest 4.85, essentially least 4.21. United States dollars to Axes today. United States dollars to Axes swapping scale, commonly equivalent to 0.2137 coins per $1 in an exceptionally enormous manner. Today's reach 0.2126 0.2232, so today's reach 0.2126 0.2232, which generally is very huge. The past day's nearby 0.2216, most certainly further appearance how today's reach 0.2126 0.2232, so today's reach 0.2126 0.2232, or so they thought. Change for now 0.0079, 3.56%, which shows that Axie limitlessness value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future, and month Axie vastness cost forecast on Tuesday, September 26. Cost $4.58, especially most extreme 4.90, genuinely least 4.26, which is very critical. United States dollars to Axes cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a huge manner. Dollar to Axie boundlessness conjecture on Tuesday, September 26. Cost 0.218 coins, lovely most extreme 0.235, kind of least 0.204, exhibiting how us to Axes cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unpretentious manner. United States dollars to Axes expectation on Wednesday, September 27. Cost 0.218 coins, lovely greatest 0.234, especially least 0.204, or so they most certainly thought. Dollar to Axie boundlessness gauge on Thursday, September 28. Cost 0.216 coins, truly greatest 0.233, sort of least 0.202 in a sort of enormous manner. United States dollars to Axes expectation on Friday, September 29. Cost 0.224 coins, truly greatest 0.240, by and large least 0.209 in a fundamentally significant manner. In multi-week dollar to Axie limitlessness conjecture on Monday, October 2. Cost 0.225 coins, essentially greatest 0.242, lovely least 0.210, or so they really thought. United States dollars to Axes expectation on Tuesday.